Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, and Salam Kebajikan. Hello beginners, welcome back to our channel. Right now, I'll demonstrate you how to configure the IP pool. If you want to know more about this configuration, stay tuned. What is the meaning of IP pool? IP DHCP pool is service to limit the range of IP addresses that will be distributed automatically by the DHCP system. The IP DHCP pool contains the IP that can be used by the DHCP client. This is the topology for the IP pool configuration. In this configuration, my router already has internet access, and I'll make an IP pool with 8 addresses in range of 27, 27, 27, 27.10 until 27, 27, 27, 17. The gateway of my DHCP server is 27, 27, 27, 27/27. Okay, without any further ado, let's start our config. First of all, I've configured the IP address for the gateway from the DHCP server with IP 27, 27, 27, 27/27 on error 1 because my client is connected to the error 1. It also can be seen that I've got dynamic IP from my DHCP server and ensure that my router has internet connection. I've also configured IP firewall NAT, so the client who's using my DHCP server also has internet connection. After that, configure the IP pool to create the range that will be used by the DHCP server. I'll create an IP DHCP pool with the name Siswa TKJ with 8 addresses that match with IP DHCP server network with the command IP pool at name Siswa TKJ range 27, 27, 27.10 until 27, 27, 27.17. Keep in mind that you need to avoid the same IP as the DHCP server's gateway. Then check whether IP has been registered or not with the command IP poolprint. And as you can see that the IP has been successfully configured. After configuring the IP pool, you have to configure the DHCP server. I'll create Nayaka DHCP with error 1 interface and the address pool called Siswa TKJ with the command IP DHCP server at name Nayaka DHCP interface error 1 and address pool Siswa TKJ, and don't forget disable no. Then check whether the DHCP server has been registered or not. And as you can see that the DHCP server service has been successfully configured. Next, configure the network for the DHCP server with command IP DHCP server network at address 27.27.27.0/27. Gateway is 27, 27, 27, 27, and then S server is 8.8.8.8. This configuration must be based on the specified on the DHCP server. Before do the test, don't forget to make sure the IP version 4 on the Ethernet is already obtained or the IP version 4 isn't configured yet in order to make the client get the IP address from the DHCP server. After that, do the enable and disable Ethernet so the system can update the network connection. And as you can see that we have succeeded in getting an IP address. The IP that I've got from the server is 27, 27, 27.17 with a gateway of 27, 27, 27, 27 and the NS 8.8.8.8, which means that the DHCP server configuration with the IP pool is successfully. Not only getting the IP address, the client also got internet access from the DHCP server, which automatically can be seen from the status of IP version 4 connectivity. To make sure that the client has internet access, do the ping google.com on the client's CMD. If the package is replied, it can be certain that the client actually has internet access, and then I want to ping the server too. As you can see that the package is replied, which means that this client has connected to the server. We can also check which client used the DHCP server that we create with the command ip dhcp server list print. Well, it can be seen that there's client using the DHCP server is Nayaka, and the address that she got is 27272717/27. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for your attention and see you in the next video.